Yo, my name is Terry and today I'm gonna show you guys 10 beatbox pattern for beginner. So, in the today episode, we're gonna focus on the BMG snare, also called speed snare, which is probably the all-time favorite snare of many beatboxers. Here's the sound list. If there any sound you guys don't know, check out my beatbox tutorial playlist on my channel and see if there any helpful video. The first sound is the B, which is the kick, the T, which is the hi-hat, the K for the K snare, and the BCH stand for the BMG snare. One thing to remember that there are many types of K snare, so you can use any of them for the video. It can be, and of course it also can be. First pattern. Slow. Second pattern. Slow. Third pattern. Slow. Fourth pattern. Slow. Fifth pattern. Slow. Sixth pattern. Slow. Seventh pattern. Slow. Eighth pattern. Slow. Ninth pattern. Slow. And the last one, the 10th pattern. Slow. And that's it for the video. If you guys wanna see more pattern video like this one, please check out my Beatbox pattern playlist on my channel and also leave a like so I can make more videos like this. Thank you and see you again in the next episode.